So you and your loved one want to have your first RV, but you don't want to break the bank? I got you covered. Welcome to the Coleman Lantern LT202RD. As a matter of fact, Ryan, before we hit everything, just do a quick pan around. I want you to see this. RD stands for rear dining. Look at that dining space. More importantly, look at the windows. We're going to get to those here in just a minute. Bedroom, bathroom, eating area, kitchen, pretty much all you need. If you've been tent camping and you say, we want to get up off the ground, we want our first RV, let me introduce you to your bedroom. Come on up in here. Up front, you're going to have a queen-size bed, and I like this barn decor. They brightened it up this year. They still got the grays on all the sides. You got mirrored ward storage on both sides, nightstand space, as well as dual USB charging and 110 outlets. Plus, you got pull-out drawers, solid wood construction on all the drawers, and full extension on the ball guides. I like how Coleman does that. They've been making campers for 60 years, and they know what they're doing. But you got storage under the bed, so if you need it, you got it. You even got a privacy curtain just in case you got somebody else that's going to be sleeping in the coach with you. But I got to tell you, even though it's set up to sleep more than two, you can get 3, 4, you can get 4 people in here. This is a couples coach for me. This is our vacation spot when we want to go. This weekend, we want to go to the beach. Next weekend, we want to go to the mountains. The next weekend, we want to go to grandma's house. We want to go wherever we want to go, and we just really need us. We just really need a spot to eat, sleep, get cleaned up. Like right here, you got your bathroom. High-rise plastic bowl with the foot flush. I got my shower surround, my shower curtain, my shower nozzle, my shower controls, and my shower notches for my shower supplies. How many times did I say I was going to get shower in this? 8. I was going to say it 8 times. Did I hit the Scrabble bonus? I did? Yes! And over here, outside of the shower, is going to be your just vanity area. I like how they gave me the additional countertop space. I got a GFCI outlet. I would like to see a medicine cabinet, but the Coleman Lantern LT is an entry-level line of campers. So you are going to give up a couple of amenities, but you're going to save a lot of money. If you do need a medicine cabinet, I mean, shoot, you know, if you're good, you want to install one, absolutely. Or talk to our specialists at Camping World about getting you one. Black sink, got storage space underneath. I come out, I got upgraded linoleum flooring. And the insulation in these, because you are looking at an aluminum-sided RV with that 16-inch on center wood stud build with that blown insulation like what you have in home, the R7, if you will. I mean, I wouldn't take it to Buffalo in December, but with the AC that we have, which is high output, the furnace that I have, which is high output, 20,000 there, 13.5 there, it'll do a pretty good job. You know, you'll be comfortable. Just don't go crazy. Just use common sense with where you go and where you go camping. Your campsite kitchen features the countertop here with the rounded edges. I also got frosted glass inside my cabinetry. I like how that you can also see what's in there, but it's also kind of decorative, and I like that. And the black mats, beautiful, matches the sink and the high-rise faucet. Oversized window on the side with dual USB charging there. Got me some more drawers here, as well as storage under there. And how about a 16-inch gray stone oven with the flush-mounted or the recessed 3-burner cooktop, grill-style grate with the glass cover, gives me a little extra backsplash, and gray stone hood and gray stone flush-mounted microwave. And the Canon fridge is almost 11 cubic feet. It's 12 volt, so you can use it while going down the road. It's frost resistant, it's vibration smart. The gunmetal appearance really looks good to me. I like the space there. And my pantry shelves are pretty deep. They're almost a full arm length deep. So good space. Very good space. And finally in the rear, this is where, for me, if you're a couple, it's all about the views. If you love going and seeing, it's all about the views. These panoramic windows, they all open up. Great for cross breeze. Wonderful for light. I got the jackknife sofa with the fold down middle here. You can put some storage underneath if you need to, but this kicks out into a bed. The booth dinette right here also has storage underneath. The grayish cushions are a little bit overstuffed. I mean, that's pretty thick. They're comfortable. They reduce down into a sleeper as well. And then, of course, up top, I got a space over here for a TV. You could probably fit a 32-incher right here. I got my power and my boosted signal. Wine guard system is a great system for you to get if you're thinking about getting an RV and you want to go off the grid a little bit. It boosts 4G, LTE, and Wi-Fi. And then I got the Boss entertainment system right there and another storage compartment. So I got to tell you, man, active couple, 24 feet, 11 inches, 4,300 pounds. Got 46-gallon fresh and dual 42s on my gray and my black, and your control panel for all of that is right there. Run out your awning as well as check your tanks and check your batteries. And if you notice, one thing I didn't even mention, what do you not see besides me falling down? What do you not see in this RV? A slide. And look at the space that you have. More importantly, look at the windows. Man, I can't tell you how much I like this. Okay, let's head outside and check out what we got there. Come on. I mean, there's a reason why active couples love rear dining, those windows, right? All right, let's talk about the outside before you go running to Camping World to snag it. Right up front of your 202RD, you're gonna find power tongue jack. Then you get your twin 20-pound LP tanks, battery box, and of course the Zamp solar plug-in. Great for those briefcase solar panels to help trickle charge your battery. Just get you some more longevity out of it. And you are on a solid Huck bolted frame. Underneath, you're gonna see front stabilizer jacks. We also have them in the rear. On the campsite is where you're gonna find magnetic clasps for your pass-through storage, which is also finished off. The thing I like about what they did here was they continued that pattern of the front cap where the bed is all the way down into the storage. Add that to the fact that the doors are now a little bit bigger as well as a little bit wider. You're gonna be able to store some more stuff, and you got double magnet clasps and covered hinges. Last thing you want is rust streaks going down your beautiful white storage doors. Large awning here. Got the solid step over steps leading me into my 26-inch friction hinge door and the extra large grab handle. My marine grade speakers, love the fact that those are all season. The other thing I really love that I think you will too, see if you can hear this. How about a galvanized wheel well? That's important because when you're going down the road, you're probably going to pick up debris and rocks and stuff, tossing it up under the coach. You don't really want to have that damage. So Coleman put a galvanized well in there. They gave you the steel rims, the 14 inches on the Dexter Easy Lube axles, the extra wide berth in there, which will give you a nice smooth toe. And for a coach that's not 25 feet, I mean, you're 24 feet, 11 inches, that's a sweet spot being a double axle. A lot easier of a pull. Plus you got the sealed safety windows all the way around. And on the rear, you're gonna see your backup camera prep. You got the arch ceilings and the rain nozzles. And right here, oh my goodness, that right where just the jackknife sofa and the dinette are, this rear panoramic window. You can see I left it open. I want you to see how much airflow you could get from that. If you like seeing outside, you just want to see nature, or you want to feel the breeze, pull up to the beach, pull up to the mountains, whatever, just, oh man. I love it. On the off-camp sides, where you're going to find your terminations. For your tanks, like I mentioned inside, 46 and dual 42s. 46 on your fresh, 42 on your gray, and on your black. 24 feet, 11 inches, 4,300 pounds dry. That's a couple's coach right there, man. And for your first one, if you've been used to tent camping, and now you say, you know what? We don't need a lot. We don't need to take a freaking giant opulent home out. We just want something that's going to give us a good place to prep meals, a great window-based coach that's going to get us air and visibility and allow us to camp for year after year. Coleman's been doing it for 60 of them. I think they got a pretty good track record. And you can pick yours up today at Camping World, the 202RD. Please let me know what you think about it. What'd you like, what'd you not like, where you want to take it. Do you see some things you'd like to change? Because Coleman loves reacting to customer feedback. That's how they change every year. And please click like, subscribe, and notify too, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed the 202RD, and I hope you get a chance to take yours out camping. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. I'll see you soon. Have a good one.